pleasure to be up here to announce all of the air show activities that you're going to see today. Now, as you well know, we don't have speakers up and down the flight line. All of this is being broadcast on FM 88.9. So if you see somebody in the car next to you that they are looking kind of mystified that they are not hearing anything, make sure they tune it to 88.9 is our FM station for the air show. And we have a marvelous air show for you, ladies and gentlemen. You can hear that claw propeller reaching for the air to give him the speed, the power that he needs. Shoulder rolls on the way up. Now watch as he runs out of airspeed. Kicks a lot of rudder in there right now. Flips over the top and goes into a tail slide momentarily. Then the nose comes down and he's pointed once again at the ground with a series of aileron rolls. All right, pull back now. Pull back. So pull back. You don't. Oh, you just scraped. Yeah, you just scraped your whole left side of the wing. George Klein, Air Boss, we've got an airplane in here and we've got an aileron that just came off of that airplane. ME-109, German World War II fighter aircraft that was, along with the Focke-Wulf 190, the backbone of the Luftwaffe's Air Force. Here he is, ladies and gentlemen, from the left in the Sukhoi. We're talking about penny price right now. 4-point roll on the way up. You're going to a half Cuban 8 and then roll it out. And you can hear the sound, the unique sound of the Sukhoi there. 4-point hesitation roll, stopping that airplane every 90 degrees around the compass. Right down on the deck comes Mark and the Alpha Jet. Series of aileron rolls there. Half Cuban 8 maneuver to reverse course, show center. 90 horsepower engine, weighs only 800 pounds. Cruises at about 90 miles an hour.
I present to you the most feared aircraft in the world today, your United States Air Force's F-22 Raptor.
High Alpha he's got right aileron and a lot of left rudder in there to hold that airplane like that. Look at that rudder deflection. Airplanes are not supposed to fly like that. Brad Worston can make them do so. Ah, yeah, you can hear the sound. Listen. Look at the prop, dead. Herb Gillen's standing out there on the taxiway now. Let's see. Coming up to Herb. And bingo! Nicely done. Kent Peach, ladies and gentlemen, once again, the dead stick landing and the dead stick handshake.
To exhibit the capability and uncontested air dominance of the United States Air Force. Anywhere, anytime. We are the Thunderbirds.
Thunderbird fans, have your cameras ready for a picture of formation flying at its finest as the diamond is approaching from the right at a mere 18 inches apart for your 2021 Diamond Pass in Review. Now look in front and to your left as the Thunderbird Diamond maintains precise formation position in the Diamond Roll. Now from the left, watch as Major Curran flips her F-16 upside down at a mere 200 feet above the ground for a high-speed inverted pass. Ladies and gentlemen, the Thunderbirds would like to dedicate this next pass to all the families here today whose loved ones are deployed around the globe in defense of our freedoms.
Folks, ready now and roll.
As the wedge soars above, we are proud to represent the 66,000 airmen who are deployed around the world in defense of our freedoms. While our airmen, soldiers, sailors, coasties, and Marines risk their lives every day to fight for democracy, it is the families that stay behind who are the silent heroes of our military. Their sacrifices do not go unrecognized, and we thank every mom, dad, husband, wife, son, and daughter who support their deployed military member each day while they fight to keep our country free. As your Thunderbirds head back to Portland to land, we hope you have found today's performance inspirational. The Thunderbirds thank you for letting us perform for you here in the great state of Oregon.